A very good afternoon, students. I am Dr. Nagesh KN, Professor and HOD in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology, Bangalore. Subject Basic Electronics. In the Basic Electronics Unit 4, that is Module 4, Operational Amplifiers. I will be discussing. Operational amplifier is one in which it is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication. High gain differential amplifier. Operational amplifier is a high gain differential amplifier. It is used for addition, subtraction, integration, differentiation, etc. First, I will discuss basic op amp circuit. In that last video I have discussed inverting amplifier. Now I will discuss non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier. Why it is called as non-inverting amplifier? Means non-inverting terminal supply will be applied and inverting terminal will be grounded. Then it is said to be non-inverting amplifier. With the sketch I will explain. Inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier. This will be grounded. R1, current I1 entering the node. Next, non-inverting terminal supply will be applied. V in. RF is the feedback resistor. RF is the feedback resistor. IF is the current leaving the node. V out is the output. So input supply V in. Output is in phase with respect to the input. V out with respect to T. The output is in phase with respect to the input. Non-inverting amplifier, why we will call it as non-inverting amplifier means non-inverting terminal supply will be applied and inverting terminal will be grounded. Then it is said to be non-inverting amplifier. RF is the feedback resistor and V out is the output. Apply KCL. Kirchhoff's current law states that the sum of current entering the node is equal to the sum of current leaving the node. Here I1 is the current entering the node, IF is the current leaving the node. Therefore, I1 is equal to IF. Here, according to the virtual ground concept, if non-inverting terminal we are applying supply, here also we are applying supply according to the virtual ground concept. Plus minus, then we can write it as this is 0 minus this is nothing but V in divided by resistor R1. This is equal to again V in minus V out divided by RF. This we can write it as minus V in R1 is equal to V in RF minus V out RF. Minus RF, I will send this term to this side. Minus V in by R1, I will send it to that side. Minus V out by RF, I will send that side, means it will become plus. That is V out divided by RF is equal to V in minus RF. I will write it like that only. Minus Vi R1 will come this side, means it will become plus V in R1. Now what I can take it as V in as outside I can write it. V out divided by RF is equal to, I will take it V in outside. Therefore 1 divided by RF plus 1 divided by R1, this one. I will send this RF to this side. Therefore V out divided by RF is equal to V in RF Whatever thing is there, 1 divided by Rf, I'll write it like that only, plus 1 divided by R1, I'll write it like that only. I'll multiply Rf with respect to this. Therefore, V out divided by Rf, V out is left out, that's all. V out is left out here. Only V out is left out. V out is equal to V in Rf. Rf will be multiplied Rf divided by Rf plus Rf divided by R1. This Rf will be multiplied with this one, Rf divided by Rf plus Rf into 1 is Rf by R1. Therefore, V out is equal to V in is equal to, I'll cancel this one, V in 1 plus Rf by R1. This V in, I'll send it this side. V out divided by V in is equal to 1 plus Rf by R1. This is the final answer. That is, output by input V in is equal to always gain. Gain definition is V out by V in. Gain AV is equal to 1 plus Rf plus R1 is the non-inverting amplifier output. Thank you, dear students.